Yes, I have to use my umbrella to do the job, help do the job. So the breeze has now started to blow, as you can see. These little plants are moving. Beautiful, aren't they? I don't know the name of them, but it's a whole like line of them. Oh, you're still hearing the birds in the background. But like I said, people, as long as you're understanding what I am saying, it doesn't matter what voice I have. Okay? We all do not have the same voice, right? Right, on to another street. So I go from street to street to street. Oh boy. These streets are usually quiet, not a lot of vehicular traffic, but some instances they do have a lot of vehicular traffic. You know, that's just how it is. I don't know what these are either, but seems to be a beautiful plant. Oh, I must take a pic. Yes. Like I said, I don't know what is the name of this plant, but it's a beautiful plant. So, here we go. The sun is shining very hot, and these street lights are supposed to be off, but for some reason this one is on. Anyway, don't you guys just love the clouds? How they make some shapes. Oh, this one look like a dancing, let me see, a dancing dragon or something. Yeah. So, oh, it could be a, what does it look like? A rabbit? What does this cloud look like? It was looking like a dinosaur with wings. Then maybe the head look like a dragon. Yeah, just now the shape will change. Oh, you're hearing all the other animals in the background. Birds and I think it's seagulls. I love my job sometimes. Sometimes I love being outdoors, but sometimes when the weather is too extreme, I can't for some reason take it on. But like I said, you know, I have my umbrella, I have my long sleeve, so, and I have my water. So we okay to go for now. A whole forest of animals. Once the place is quiet, you hear them. Other than that, you may not hear them. Ooh. I think sometimes I'll just hush and just listen to nature. All the birds and the other little critters that comes out during the day, the daytime. I don't know if you guys can hear some of them in the other background. Yeah. Sometimes they just, well, once it doesn't have like vehicular traffic or a plane passing overhead or something, yeah, you usually hear the pronounced songs of the birds and whatever else you may hear. So yeah. Yes guys, this is my job, walking into different streets. So today is actually a okay day because it's hot. We have clouds, we have birds, we have trees in full bloom. This tree actually lost all its leaf just a couple of weeks ago. It had no leaves, and now it's fresh and healthy and all of that. So yeah. So Yeah. Oh, there's the birds. Maybe we could stand up and listen to some of these songs a little bit. Hopefully nothing else drops on my head under this tree here. Oh, this is an interesting tree, is it not? Oh, I like it. I love nature. I love nature. I love trees and mountains. And look at this tree. This tree is beautiful. It look like it's split up in 3 different pieces, but yet all the roots are connected, kind of thing. So yeah. All right, back out we go. So enter another street. Sometimes these streets will have activities, and sometimes it will not have any activities. So I guess what we have to do is get it on a good day. Just get it on a good day. So, but I didn't even need to talk all this on the videos. Really, I didn't need to. We're going to a new street now. A new street. Yes, a lot of walking is involved. I need to get some water. Some more water. There we go. Another street again. Into another street with a park. City park. But so another Buddha. I can't see him, but I'm hearing him. Ah, beautiful song. It has some actually. Oh boy. Oh. I hope you all are not hearing that music in the background before I get copyrighted. Oh, there. A lot more on this side. The breeze is blowing a little bit more. Oh, this tree has lost most of its leaves. Now it's starting to get back. Pretty. Yeah, people. See? It's dry. Uh-oh. So, yeah, some of my, oh boy. Oh dear. Oh boy. Yeah. Out of the job. Let's hope they don't get through that gate. Let's hope they do not get through that gate for me. So, from one street into the next street into the next street. Going down the next street here. Oh, look, he put his head through the window. Oh boy. Well, thankfully he can't fit through this thing here. Thankfully. Maybe. Thankfully he really can't fit through there. It's a good thing because whoa. Yeah, all part of my job. Oh boy. Hey, oh, beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the sky. Look at the sky against this tree, the background. Isn't this beautiful? Look at the blue sky, clouds, and this beautiful tree. Oh, yes. A beautiful day, beautiful day. I gotta take some pics. I mean, the wires and all that anyway, but yeah, besides that, see, I'm going toward the main road. See vehicles passing, so we'll have a lot more noise. Okay, I'll shut up from now. No more talking in this video because I only takes. I explained myself already. I explained what I do. So yeah, but I really don't think I need to explain anymore. you know. So